Hello students, here we have a new topic, transpose of a matrix. Now what is the transpose of a matrix? Suppose we have a matrix A which is equal to, say for example, 1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 5. This is a matrix. Then transpose of matrix A, which is denoted by A dash, or it is denoted by A transpose, A subscript T. In some books they write it as A subscript small t. Okay, so it is defined to be a matrix which is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of original matrix. That means if A superscript T, A dash, if A transpose is the transpose of matrix A, then it is simply obtained by converting all these rows into columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 5 as the transpose of matrix A. If you want to transpose this matrix, or if you want the transpose of original matrix, then it is very clear that you will get back to the original matrix. So if you want the transpose of matrix A, or A transpose its transpose, then it is very clear that we have to convert these rows into columns. That means we have to transpose it. That means this first column is going to become first row, and second column is going to become second row. This is called as the transpose of original matrix. Hence, again it is becoming which is equal to the original matrix. So we have seen that the transpose of a matrix is obtained by simply interchanging rows and columns, or we can say that making all the rows into columns or all columns into rows, we simply obtain the transpose of a matrix. This transpose operation is very important. It has huge applications in finding the inverse of a matrix. Suppose there is a matrix B which is a square matrix 1, 0, 5, 2. Then if you want to find the transpose of B matrix, so I will write B transpose. It is nothing but is obtained as, you can see that the diagonal elements are same. So this row will become this column and this row will become this column. Like this you can obtain the transpose of a matrix. Again, B transpose its transpose. If you want to again use the operation of transpose, then this first row will become first column, second row will become second column. So still you can see that the diagonal elements are intact, they are not changing. Because of this, we can see that the identity matrix, if it is there, if it is equal to, if you have identity matrix of any order, basically identity matrix is a square matrix. So even if it is this I2, even if it is I3 also, then we can see that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If you obtain the transpose of identity matrix, this row will become this column, this row will become this column. So it will be same, it will not change, since diagonal elements are unity, 1, 1. So again it is equal to I2 only. And identity matrix of order 3 by 3, its transpose is also equal to I3. Hence, the transpose of identity matrix is always equal to itself. Hence, we cover one good topic, interesting topic, which is transpose of a matrix. What is the definition of transpose of a matrix? A matrix which is obtained by changing rows into columns or columns into rows is called as the transpose of the that matrix. And transpose of a matrix is the original matrix itself. We'll continue the properties of transpose of matrix in the next video.